Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under the sum of arithmetic series. So an arithmetic series has the property that the sum of the first 10 terms is half the sum of the next 10 terms. So if the 100th term is 95, let's find the first term and the common difference. So let's just pick the information given to us, the sum of the first 10 terms. So how do we write the formula for the sum of the first 10 or the first n terms? So we can start by saying that the sum we can say that the sum, right? So sum of the first 10, okay, let's just say n term is given by the Sn n over 2. Then let's just say the first term plus the last term. There are two formulas. We can use the first term, the last term, or 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Alright. So if we want to find, so sum of first 10 terms, that simply means that the n is now what? 10. So in place of this, I'll be having 10. In place of this, I'll be having 10. That means S10 equals to, okay, let's write it, 10 divided by 2 plus A plus the last term. What will be the last term? Don't forget, if you have 10, if you have a series, or let's just say a sequence, 1, 2, 3 up to 10, what will be the 10th term? The first term will be A. The second term will be A plus D. You remember? The third term will be A plus 2D. Third term, you have 2. Therefore, if I'm looking for the ninth term, it will be 8D. Ninth term. Then the 10th term will be 9D. You agree with me? Our 10th term is going to be this, because n minus 1 times d will be 9. So it means the last term here, which is the L, will be A plus 9D. I believe you grab this aspect. So under this, we can simplify this. If we simplify, we have S10 equals to 10 divided by 2 will be 5 multiplied by 2a plus 9d. We can just label this as the first equation. That's the first 10 terms. So we can have sum of the next sum of the next 10 terms. So it means there are 20 terms available. We pick the first 10, then the remaining 10. Don't forget, it will also be 10 because the n is going to be the 10. So that will be 5. Okay, let's indicate the 10 divided by 2. The first term plus, okay, let's just say, if the 10th term here is a plus 9d, this one, that's the last term here. So the 10th term is this. It means that the first term for the next term will be the 11th term. Do you get that? 1, 2, 3 up to 10. We have taken it away. The next one will begin from 1. But that 1 is going to be 11 up to 20. So the 11th term will be A plus 10D. Do you agree on that? So this 11th term becomes the 10th term of the next 10 terms. I believe you get it. You are smiling. So that becomes your A plus 10D plus the last term, which will be the 20th term. And that will be A plus 19D. I'm sure you didn't have any stress in getting this. That will be A plus 19D. So per simplification, we can also say that S10 equals to 5a plus a, 2a, 10 plus 19, 29d. So let's label this as equation 2. So the information from the question is almost true, with exception of this. But if you combine this, they said sum of first 10 equals to half of sum of the next 10 in the question. That the sum of the first 10 terms is half the sum of the next 10 terms. So it means that we are taking equation 1 to be 5 2a plus 9d equals to half of 5 2a plus 29d from the question, if you want to listen to the question. So that would be, we can expand this, which will be 10, right? A. This is going to be 45, right? 45d. Or let us not worry ourselves too much. We can see 5 being a coefficient of the two of them. So we can divide by 5. So if we divide by 5, you'll be left with 2a plus 9d equals to half 2a plus 29 what? D. You agree with me? 5 is the coefficient of the two of them. Good. Then this half is a fraction. We can clear the fraction by multiplying by the denominator, meaning 2. So 2 times this. If I multiply through, I'll be having 4a, 2 times this, 18d, 2 times this, we'll clear the fraction, you'll be left with 2a plus 29d. I believe you get it, the concept. All right. AADD. So let's group like terms, meaning 4a minus 2a, 29d minus 18d. Fast forward, 2a equals to, what will that be? 11d. But we are looking for a, since we want to make a the subject. You can make d the subject as well. So if I divide by 2, a will be equals to 11 divided by 2d. We can also label this as equation 3. We can't do anything. The only thing we can do is to put this into either equation 1 or equation 2. But no need. You will still have d in that expression. So let's focus on the last statement given to us. We are going to make use of the last statement. So the last statement says that if the 100th term, u 100 will be a plus 99 what? D. If this term is equals to 95. So if this is 95, we can be able to find any of them. So A is already known in equation 3. So this becomes A as 11 over 2D, 99, D equals to 95. So I believe this will be our equation 4. So if we put equation 3 into equation 4, this is what we will have. We can decide to multiply both sides by 2 as the fraction. So if we do so, we can see that this becomes 11d plus. So if you multiply the 99 by 2, that gives us 198d, 95 by 2, 190. This can be added as in 11 plus 198. That will be 209d equals 190. But we can focus on this. So divide by 209, 209. So D will be equals to 10 10 divided by 11. So it means the first term, which is A, when I replace this, we already know what the common difference is. So our first term, your first term is going to be A equals to 11 over 2 times D, which is 10 over 11. We know 11 will cancel, go here, 5. So first term equals to 5. Common difference equals to 11, no, I think 10 over 11. So the question was asking for the first term and the common difference. So per this, our first term will be 5, then the common difference will be 10 on 11. So take your time, go through the video again, and I'm sure you will get every bit of it. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.